Here we go again. Back to the danger zone. It's surplus Herbie's time. Again. Where wallets go to die and dads convince themselves that they need another tarp. Today's mission, a camping spade. Will I escape with just one item, or will I walk out with a second mortgage and a new obsession? Let's find out. So here's a quick side note of irony for you. Today happens to be the first pants day in a long time, and I've managed to lose my favorite set of camo pants. Where am I going? Of course, to the exact same spot where I bought the original pair of camo pants. Oh, I'm in trouble. But anyways, sweatpants it is. Let's see if this place covers my butt. Durable dads, brothers from other mothers and sisters from different misters, thanks for tuning in. So it's September, fall is settling in, and that means fire pit season is right around the corner. And a camping spade, that's like the Swiss Army knife of dad gear. You dig a fire pit, bury the coals, whack tent pegs, move hot rocks. Hell, if things get desperate, it's a snow shovel, a makeshift paddle, or a zombie deterrent. So yeah, on paper, I only need one thing. But this is surplus Herbie's. You know how this goes. Temptation at every aisle. Last time it was just the perk pot. Today, who knows? Anyway, rules are simple. In, grab the spade. Out. No detours. Right. Hey kids, Durable Dads here. Bringing you real gear tests, dad-approved tips, and adventures that actually work. If you're one of the 86% watching but not subscribed, hit that button. It's one click for you, and it keeps this party rolling. Okay, seriously, as soon as I walked through the door, they must have known I was coming. Granted, this isn't what I'm looking for, but this is a good... Okay, clearly, none of these fit the bill for camping spades. However, you need those, right? Always could use another knife. I don't know why this particular aisle always manages to lure me in. Okay, so I just asked where the camping spade is, and of course it's buried somewhere in the back over there, where you have to obviously peruse all of these aisles in order to get to them. Okay, that is the same psychology as the grocery store. Hide what you need after all the stuff you don't. Okay, gators. All right. Those are starting to come out, as are probably the snowshoes. So this is a very dangerous place. Okay, carrying on. Ooh, here's something interesting. They call this a commando saw. You know what I really think that is? That's a garret. All right, it's a garret. Yes, you can cut off like heads and I guess sticks with it too. Awesome. Okay, I really don't need a tactical or a thermal lunch kit. Okay, and these are definitely not camping spades. Moving on. Nope, not camping spades. No, getting warmer though. Oh, look up, look way up. What do I see? Oh yes, I'll be coming back for that. I guess it's still too early to bring them down onto the bottom racks. But yeah, this is gonna be happening soon. A soap holder? Really? Are we going camping or to prison? Oh, it's for putting your soap in. Gotcha. Item procured. Here we go. Folding shovel with saw. Okay, 32 bones, so I'd say about 37 bucks after tax. Comes with a saw, tempered shovel blade, folding, tubular steel, blah, blah, blah. Well, I'll give you a spec sheet afterwards. Mission accomplished. Now, I don't need pants. Or do I need pants? Okay. maybe we'll come back. Same formula. Go just tempt the shit out of myself and then come back and get what I want. Bad, Mike, bad. And here we have a fine collection of Surrey dinner jackets, just in case I need to go to dinner in Surrey and it's outside and cold. Well, hello, Temptation Island. Okay, camo pants. Now, I'm pretty particular on what I like for camo. Okay, Siberia, no. Jungle? No. Desert and sage, okay, that would be good around here. Were I actually wanting to disappear from the waist down, but meh. Oh, here we go. All right, I did that. It's a little bit too much. Try wearing plaid with that shit. Does not work. Okay, this is more to my liking. Okay, we can work with that. But this, boys and girls, is probably going to be the most subtle of the crew. Or maybe this one. Anyways, I'm still not going to be able to like match this with plaid, which is highly unfortunate, but you know what? You live. Okay. Now, next thing is price. $54.95 plus the so $60 plus the almost 40 of the said item that I wanted. Sheesh. Okay. It's under $100. What did I say the budget was for today? Oh, that's right. I didn't. Once again, my friends, I submit to you gratuitous outfitter footage. Eat your hearts out. So I got daughter cool check, and she says that one's the one, not that one. And I got in trouble for being here without her. Oh well. And yes, I'm gonna get the damn pants. And oh, I'm not sorry. Okay, kids, if you haven't guessed by now, I failed. Well, I didn't fail. I just got a +1. All right, the shovel, procured. That's awesome. Also procured another pair of pants, or a replacement pair of pants. That was not expected. Well, okay, I kind of set you up for it. All I'm saying is I'm a little disappointed. That is 2 for 2, where a danger zone has won over my resolve. I did not stick this landing. Now, I'm not even opening this today. That's saved for a full back to basics review. But even still, this little beast isn't just for digging holes. Here's why every dad should have one. Fire pits. Build them. Bury them. Move coals safely. Tent setup. Pound in pegs when you forgot a hammer. Or even worse, you forgot your camping hatchet. Cooking hacks. Flatten a surface. Shift hot rocks. Even flip a really stubborn steak if you're desperate. Winter mode. Snow shovel for the forerunner. And free your whip. Safety tool. Dig out tires when you're stuck. Backyard bonus. Kids want to dig for treasure? Done. Apocalypse edition. It's a shovel. It's a weapon, and with the saw built in. It's a paddle if you lose one on the lake. Basically, if Swiss Army made a tool for dads, it'd look like this. Rugged, simple, always useful. And for the price, no brainer. Well, there you have it, kids. Another successful danger zone run. Walked in for one thing, walked out with, okay, fine, 2 things. This time. But stay tuned, because next, when that fire ban lifts and I'm building actual fire pits, this spade is coming along for the ride. Durable Dads certified. If you dug this, pun fully intended, drop a like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next. Here's me keeping the coffee warm and the gear dirty. and this piece of gear very dirty. Peace out, Scout.